Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today is part 2 of my review for DPClubs, and let's get started. So the first one of the two that we have left is this one. Let's take a look. Well, if I can get it open, we'll have it made. Do you see how tight that is? There we go. They barely made room for that in there. There we go. Alright, put that up there. And turn this over. It looks like a cherry blossom tree with lots of clouds hanging over a cliff. Maybe even perhaps a waterfall or two down there. I thought it was just absolutely beautiful. Now this one is a 40 by 63 and it was $10.99. Let's set that aside. See if we can find the paper. Hang on. I know there is one. Yep, there it is. Comes with a paper pattern. It has the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. My hand itches today. I don't know why. And it has 25 colors. This is fairly easy to see. It's not too bad. Doesn't look real confetti. Now, some people might want to blow that up or use a magnifying glass if you have to. It has 310, no 823, does have some 939, and no 3865. So, I think they're using 818 for the light parts of the clouds, which is almost a pale, you can't really tell in this picture, pale shell pink, if you will. But very easy to read, you know, paper. And this will match your canvas. Let me put that up there. Let's see what we got going here. We do have some pink. It says number 760. Comes with 3 needles. Look at that. That's odd. Okay. And let's look at the beautiful, beautiful colors in this. Isn't that just stunning? I don't think it has any 550. Does it have 550? It does. It has my 550 purple, which is that one right there. I know that puppy anywhere. It does have the product number right across here. But just beautiful, outstanding colors, and it's not very big, I don't think. Is it? Nah, can't be that big, you know, because this is small compared to most of them, right? Oh my goodness. But yeah, just beautiful, beautiful colors. I love that pink. I'm assuming that the pinks and the pale pinks are going to make, you know, that cherry tree just stand out. But I just thought it was beautiful with all the background colors. Let me wrap that puppy in there just so we don't lose it. You know, nothing like one single skein of thread, and it's a pretty good big size skein. Let me see if I can lay it down. I'm going to do it this way. So it's long and skinny, but it does look like it would be easy to stitch. There's hardly any confetti in this. Nice, great big huge key. It does have a picture. It also shows the colors that are on, you know, of the threads. Nice DMC printing. And the symbols are nice and big. I'd say each one of those are a little bit over 1/4 of an inch. So they're very easy to read. And so are the symbols on the canvas. I'll try to hold it as still as possible. Let's see how big this is. It is not serged all the way around, which doesn't bother me. I haven't had a problem with any of them unraveling. Of course, I'm not using them to distraction, you know, in my hand, you know, working with it, so that helps. It's 25 inches, which is 63.5 by 15 3/4 or 40 centimeters. the actual picture size is. It's got nice big margins. I'll show them here in a minute. It's 53.5, which is 21 inches by 29.5, or a little bit over, almost 11 3/4. So it's not too wide. It'd be a nice one for summer and spring, you know, to work on. But I just loved the colors in this. They're just outstanding. Outstanding. Just beautiful. I can hardly wait to start on that. I really can. Love it. And it does have a nice stiff canvas. Sometimes stiff is good, but I will crunch it a bit, you know, to get it to conform to my hand. So we got that one. Sorry. Of course she has to bark. Now the next one, I don't know if you can see this. I don't know how well this is going to show up. We'll see once it gets as big as it is. And we'll see what this looks like. Let me try to figure out how to open it. I'm having a heck of a time trying to open things. This one is 36 by 55, so it's not too wide. And I'll hold the picture in my hand. There we go. Put it over here. It's like a train and a castle. It reminds me of, what is it? Something, I want to say Snowball Express. That's not right. You know what I mean. I'm not much on kid shows these days. Nice big key. Now, this is one I've never seen them do this. Alright, look at this. These are made like the DIY, you know, cross-stitch kits. And it has 19 colors. But down here, it does say backstitch 310. So we have 310 for sure. But you can see, I'll kind of tip it just a bit so you can see the back stitching. Yeah, so it needs back stitching, but I don't know. And it's a partial. But I've never seen a kit that actually showed back stitching. You know how I'm always saying that, you know, you can add back stitching if you'd like, or whatever. But they've never said that specifically. So they're coming up in the world. They're coming up. This is a partial. You do not do the background. But I just thought it was really pretty. Very easy to read symbols. If you'd like, you can blow it up as high as you want. But yeah. And you know, they put back stitching here and there, but I'd kind of add to that. I always kind of ad-lib my back stitching, if you will. But I think it's cool that they've started to do that. Now it does have a full page instructions on what to do, how to start, how to end, what to do when you're done, that kind of thing. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Hang on. And it's called Castle in Bottle, and it was $11.99. So let's take a look at the beautiful, beautiful colors. Well, there's your 310. Yepers. Let me see, make sure there's no more. Okay. And shake it out a bit. It does have 3865, so very little of it. But it does have a lot of the 16, which is 3756. It's kind of a, I can't tell, it's next to a blue, so I can't tell if it's blue-white or green-white. But that's what they're using for the other white. This is your bright white. But yeah, and it is an 11 count, both of these were. But some really beautiful, beautiful colors. Look at all the bright reds. Just beautiful. So it'd be interesting to see, you know, how detailed it would be, you know. Let me put that 310 in there, because, gosh, we can't afford to lose that. Huh? We've only got 10,000 skeins of 310. But, and then it comes with 2 needles. It is not serged all the way around. It does have a big key here, and it does say 310 right there at your back stitching. And they have printed the back stitching. You can see that already on there. But you have to go back because, I don't know. You're not going to be able to see it before you put your cross stitch in, because you got to do the cross stitch first. I don't know why they bother. It's nice, but I'm not that person. No. And it looks like it's got some dots here that could be, oh, I thought, I'm so used to looking at Joy Sunday. I saw these dots. Let me bring it out a little wider. I was thinking, oh, maybe that's where the little, what do you call them? French knots go, but no, the dot is 3865, so it's got some white, like, sprinkled around. So it's not very wide. But I just thought it was a different looking pattern. So, never gotten these. They do have others that are like this, so I'm not sure how detailed it's going to be. It is 56 centimeters. It's supposed to be 55, I think. I think. Yep, 56 by 36. And the actual size of the jar is 18 inches, which is 46 centimeters. And wide, it is approximately 22 and a half, which is about 8 and 3/4. Whew, words are hard today. So yeah, I think it would be easy to stitch on, and then the back stitching, you just put it wherever you think it goes. So, I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. All right, let me put that little thing in there, just so I don't lose it. Now, DPClubs has diamond paintings and cross stitch and paint by number. They have crafts and tools for all of those, I think. I'm not sure about the paint by number. They do have a separate Joy Sunday section. And I also have a 15% discount down in the description for you. And they have lots of other stuff. They have lots of different, they don't have embroidery. No beaded embroidery or regular embroidery. But with 3 of those, your cross-stitch, diamond painting, and paint by number, there's plenty of things for everybody to find something that they like. And, some people like to do the crafts, some people like to do pictures like I show you, because 95% of the time, that's what I'm working on. Every once in a while, I'll get diamond painting crafts, maybe at Christmas, so that, we can make little ornaments or something special. But, and I have gotten the diamond painted notebooks. I've never used them, I just diamond painted them. I thought they were cool. So, they have lots of things that you can get. Thank you, DPClubs, for this week and last week's items that you sent me. Greatly appreciated. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.